neon colored papers, a tag, glue, scissors. What's up? Come with me and find out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here, and if you're new, welcome. I'm so glad you found us. Today we are making a pop-up Easter tag, and I just picked Easter because it's the season. I had all these beautiful bright colored papers that remind me of dying eggs, so I thought, why not? And this is what we're going to make. And it's just a normal tag. You can put a bow or ribbon up here if you want. And the front has this little cottage. It's got some lace, and you could put a little note on the outside if you wanted. Reminds me very cottagecore. And you open it up, and there's your pop-up bag. How cool is that? Then you could write a message. You could put another picture of a little bunny. You could draw some grass, whatever you want. But let me show you how I did it. First, I started with a regular tag, and I traced it onto some white cardstock. Actually, I didn't trace it. I just cut. And if you notice, the tag I'm cutting from has a very ornate top. I just went straight across because I didn't feel like doing that ornate, trying to cut it. So I have my tag. Of course, it's not straight. Alright, so this I'm going to put back in my stash. Now this is my tag that opens. I'm going to round all my corners real fast. I'm even rounding the end corner. So now it's rounded. I just decorated the top. I had some of this pretty spring pink with little flowers on it paper, and I just did what we always do. I layered until I was happy with the outcome. Not happy with that though. Let's see. Alright, so I just layer until I'm happy with the outcome. So I'm gonna just put this. I'm using some of my Elmer's Craft Bond glue. I really like this glue. It works on fabric and paper. I'll link the comparison I did with the different glues above in a card. The only problem with this is it's hard to squeeze if you have like arthritic hands or hands with pain. I have found if you warm it up before you use it, it's not so hard. Like, I just stick it in front of a heater for just like a few seconds, and it actually works pretty good. So I've got the paper on. I'm just going to layer some book page. Okay, I have another little cottage. This one doesn't open up. It's just a picture, but I'm going to cut it. And just put it, I'm around the corners on it so it's a little softer, because I think rounded corners just make things look softer. I mean, this whole process really doesn't take long, and to do the pop-up, it doesn't take long either. Okay, then a little bit of scrap lace I'm just going to put at the end of the, down here. Alright. There's the front. Done. That's simple. For the inside, where the egg goes, what I did first was I drew an egg. Then I folded a bunch of bright colored paper in half. And I traced half the egg on the fold. Just half the egg, traced it, cut it out. And I have a bunch of eggs with a fold right down the middle, which is what you need. Okay, once you get all of your eggs cut out, you're going to take the first egg and you're going to put its crease in the crease of your tag and glue it, and glue one side down to this side of the tag. So it'll look like you'll put the glue on one side on the crease. okay? And then you'll put it on one side of the egg, just like that. And then you'll put this into the crease of your tag, and you'll hold down that one side that you put the glue on. So it looks like that. So one side's flopping up here, one side and the crease are glued down. The next egg, you're going to fold in half. You're going to put glue on, again, one side and the crease. Like that. And then on one side. Okay. Like that. And then you're going to fold this one down, and you're going to put the crease, and you're going to fold, and you're going to glue this side to the side of the egg that was not glued down. So it looks like that. And then you get the idea. The next one side will glue to that in the crease, and the other side will be up in the air. Okay? So now, doing the orange one. And of course, do the colors, whatever you do. If you have pattern paper, it looks good with pattern paper. I just didn't have any for this theme. Again, you put the crease in the creases. Okay, sorry, my camera died. Okay, so you glued one side to the card, to the tag, and then the next egg, you glued one side to the egg and the crease. This one is glued one side to the blue egg and the crease. Now this side is open. I'm going to add two more eggs, so I'll just glue one side of the green egg to the side of the orange and make the crease glue as well. Okay. And you repeat for however many layers, however many colors you're going to do. I've got one more to go. Okay. Then once you get the last one down, make sure they're all in the crease. You have to work them over to that natural crease. And you might have to bend your crease a little bit, make it a little fatter. Okay. Now, once you get all of your pieces down, you want to glue this last side to the other card, like that. I'll put a little extra glue under all the creases there. And then do that. And then you can scrunch them together like that. And then pop them apart. And there you go. It's that simple to make a pop-up tag. And voila. So that was a super easy tag to make look cute. You can do them for birthdays, you can make cakes in the middle, you could do balloons. It's limitless. Whatever your imagination holds, you could do in a pop-up tag. So I hope you liked this video. Be sure and give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. I have a lot of great videos coming up. And I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.